2025 Hero Xpulse 200. Finally launched. Welcome to Upcoming Cruiser Bikes, your go-to channel for the latest updates on motorcycles. Today we bring you exciting news. The 2025 Hero Xpulse 200 has finally launched. This adventure-ready machine continues its legacy with improved features, better performance, and an aggressive design, making it a top choice for off-road and touring enthusiasts. Power and performance. The 2025 Hero Xpulse 200 is powered by a refined 199.6 cc, oil-cooled, single-cylinder engine, delivering a punchy performance with smooth power delivery. It produces around 18 p.m. to 20 p.m., ensuring a thrilling ride across highways, rough terrains, and city streets. The updated fuel injection system enhances efficiency, while the 6-speed gearbox offers better control and a smoother riding experience. Design and features. Hero has given the new Xpulse 200 a rugged yet stylish design, featuring a redesigned LED headlamp, an all-digital instrument cluster with Bluetooth connectivity and turn-by-turn navigation. The high-mounted exhaust, knobby tires, and long travel suspension make it an ideal companion for off-road adventures. A more comfortable seat and improved ergonomics add to its touring capabilities. Suspension and braking. The bike retains its long travel suspension with a telescopic fork at the front and a monoshock at the rear, offering excellent shock absorption. The single-disc braking system with single-channel ABS ensures safety and control even on challenging terrains. The lightweight chassis makes handling easier, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced riders. Price and variants. The 2025 Hero Xpulse 200 is available in multiple variants with a price range of Rs 51230 to Rs 67500, ex-showroom India. This competitive pricing makes it one of the most affordable adventure bikes in its segment, offering great value for money. Final thoughts. With its powerful engine, off-road capabilities, and modern features, the 2025 Hero Xpulse 200 is set to dominate the adventure segment. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or a daily commuter looking for a capable machine, this bike is worth considering. Stay tuned to Upcoming Cruiser Bikes for more motorcycle updates, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest news. Let us know in the comments, will you be buying the new Xpulse 200?